My name's Tim Ritchie, and I'm the CEO at Integrate IQ. And I listen to a lot of podcasts. And recently, I've heard this ad for a platform called Odoo. It's just being pounded on. It's like on repeat in these podcasts, and it's frustrating to me because what Odoo claims to be is one platform that grows with your business that is all things to everybody for a very inexpensive rate. And my experience with platforms that try to be all things to everybody, whether it's Odoo or Zoho or NetSuite or Real Green or name the million other platforms that try to do this, is they're just not that great at everything they do. They may have certain things that they are fantastic at, but if they're great at sales, they're probably not great at finance. If they're great at finance, they're probably not great at operations or support. It's just the issue is subject matter experts. And as a medium or a large enterprise, you've hired subject matter experts to do what they do in sort of their vertical application. And over the years, they have become accustomed to and recognize that they have platforms that enable them to be successful at their job. And it's true of sales and marketing and operations and support and finance. They each have their own platform that does exactly what they need to do, and they know how to manipulate and operate that platform. It's what part of what makes them great at what they do. If you sort of water that down and you try to have them operate within this platform that is trying to do 20 things and really maybe only does one well or doesn't do any of them well, but it's cheap, they're not going to be as effective. So here's what we do: we connect these best in class platforms and we create a data ecosystem from all of these data silos so that your subject matter experts continue to operate in the platform that they are comfortable in, that makes them effective, that is exactly what they need. But that data comes together. It flows naturally. It flows immediately. There's no data re-entry. There is no cleanup. There's no mistakes. So if you have a bunch of data silos and you don't want to get a crappy all-in-one platform, I'd like to suggest maybe it makes sense to have a conversation with our team so that we can discover or explore whether it makes sense to connect your different platforms and create an ecosystem from your best in class systems. If that sounds good to you, send a message to sales@integrateiq.com. Thanks.